everybody, so this video I'm going to be unboxing the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. The packaging is definitely giving cotton candy dream. I'm wondering if these were supposed to be out around then, but I guess we'll never know. So I hate the noise of plastic on a camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it and show you guys like as I'm going. So it opens like this with the hat on top. So I will start with the hat. I've just opened this. I like this hat. I think it's cute. Obviously, like, I'm wearing a wig right now, so this will not fit over my head. But when I do not have hair on, it does fit over my regular hair. Oh, we also had, I used this already, and maybe I shouldn't have, but I did. And it is the Peach Escape blush. I'm wearing it today with a little bit of powder blush on top, but really love this. I love peach orange blushes, so I was very happy to get that. And that is an exclusive. Then we have the Mood Ring eyegloss, which is not new or exclusive. And it is like this chromatic kind of purple silver color. It might be hard to see. I do have a video swatching every Jeffree Star Cosmetics product ever. So if it has been, if it's not an exclusive to this box, then I have done a video swatching it. Other than like the lip balms, like the stuff that doesn't really have any pigment in it. So yes. Then we have Let Me Be Perfectly Clear of the gloss. Love the gloss texture, the opacity. The gloss is my favorite gloss formula from him. The Supreme gloss is good, but I just prefer something a bit more sheer. Is the Hydrating Glitz Lip Balm in Blue Balls, which we have seen before as well. Like, is not new, I mean. We have tons of these single shadows. This is why I kind of think the mystery boxes are a bit of a rip, because these single shadows. So we have Mohawk, Only Child, Winter Wind, 1985, Star Creek, and Punk Couture. A lot of them are from the Weirdo palette, if I'm not mistaken. The last mystery box was the same. Then I have Pink Vault and Watermelon Soda from the Supreme glosses. Pink Vault is, oh my god, it's actually already what I have on my lips. So no need to open that bad boy, it's right here. Once again, I have a video swatching all of these, so definitely take a peek if you wish. And then Watermelon Soda, loves it, very pretty. Then we have the Funeral Parlor Velvet Trap. Oh, I have a little surprise in mine. Came with a little elastic. It was an elastic inside of this, so that's very strange. Just a little bit of an error. And it is like this pale beige, almost gray color. Really pretty. I'm lucky because I like these colors that we were sent. I'm not the biggest fan on the Hydrating Glitz lip balm. I find it gritty. Not my fave. Then we have this little keychain, which I think is so cute. I have all of the Jeffree Star mirrors and one unreleased mirror that he sent me. We have this pen. Oh, that's cool. To like hook on a book or whatever. And it's a twist pen. Blue ink, because I feel like that's super important information for you to know. We have this blue, baby blue cat. Love the cat mirrors. As you can maybe hear, my cat's yelling at me, so I'll be going out there after to snuggle. You're probably jealous because I'm snuggling with my baby. Probably jealous, probably jealous. And we have this Skin Frost highlighting blush. Loved the Skin Frost highlighting blush from the Halloween mystery boxes a while back, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Cotton Candy Crime. Love this. I'm a big fan of the Skin Frost formula. I hate the word formula. Don't ask me why. And that is what it looks like. And I will do a swatch video on this. It's kind of pink with a little bit of a blue reflect, but nothing too crazy. I think you'll definitely be able to wear it. I'm happy with it. It's what I expected. I think there was another exclusive if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong though, but I think I heard him saying there's gonna be 3 and 2 will be in each box. I'm not sure. If that is the case, I'll definitely hunt it down and need to buy that on third party because I have everything Jeffree Star's ever released. So yeah, and I'm very happy that he is slowing down on releases, if you catch my drift. So yeah, that's the mystery box. Nothing is in this now. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means more to me than I can ever put into words. And if you want to see this look, it is in my Kim Petras Trans Icons video, which should be posted soon or already is posted. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!